Hi guys, and welcome to another Watch Geek video. Today, I don't really know what I'm unboxing. All I know is one of you guys contacted me asking me my address because you want to send me a gift. I know it's not a watch because you told me, but that's all that you said. You said you want this to be a surprise. You know who you are, so here it goes. I'm gonna be opening this in front of the camera to see what it is. So, let's open it. Slide it out. And I know why I actually got this. So this is a Swiss Army knife, and I know why you sent me this, because I'm always finding creative ways to open my packages, including steak knives, shearing scissors, and old rusty knives. So this is the tool that I'm gonna be using from now on to open the packages. Wow, you really surprised me with this one. Not only is it cool and useful, but it's also kind of a pun on my jokes. Well done, sir, well played. Thank you very much. I can assure you that I'm gonna be using this and this only to open the packages from now on. Really, thank you so much. This really put a smile on my face. I didn't know what it was. I thought it's gonna be like some tools for watches or maybe a UV flashlight after I was trying to like feel it through the package. This is not something I expected, but it really surprised me and made me smile. Thank you so much. I'll be responding to your email, and naturally I'm gonna be posting this because it's so cool. Thank you once again, and guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.